Hi guys, what's going on? It's me, Ranger, and I know what this looks like. Ranger, why are you starting a no survival world? Well, I'll tell you. So for some reason, my survival world that I recorded disappeared.
Okay, pause. I don't know why I lied in this clip, but I definitely deleted the world. It might have been by accident, but I still definitely deleted it. Okay, now resume.
But we can just make a new one, so we're gonna do that. Boom! New survival world. We can do this. This time I'm gonna get really into this world. And, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Here we go. Let's see. Whoa, okay. We just spawned in a jungle. That's lucky. I really like jungles because guess what lives in a jungle? A bird. Birds live in jungles. And if birds live in jungles, then I live in a jungle. Then I am a bird. Yes, I am a bird. It's shocking, I know. But it is true. And definitely not a lie. While other people identify as non-binary, female or male, I identify as bird. I know there might be other genders or what other people identify as there that I didn't mention, and after that, I'm sorry. But yeah, I didn't do research. Yeah, so I also start breaking trees. That's wood. I don't want oak wood. Wait a second, all of it is oak wood, isn't it? Is that the difference? I don't think so. No, there is a difference. Haha, I called it. I heard a bird. I heard a bird. Grab seeds, grab seeds, grab seeds. Seeds, seeds, now, seeds. Come on, now, seeds. Come on. Seeds, now, seeds, 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 seeds. Seeds, seeds, come on, seeds, seeds, now, seeds, come on. Why don't I? There's no, I only have two. There's three. Okay, I heard a bird. Where is it? Where is it? Where's the bird? Come on, bird. Oh, food. It's not important right now. Where is, there he is. Bird. Why? Why? Bird! Stay right where you are, please. Please. I really need you. Bird! Yes! Guys, we got a bird. Mission accomplished. Okay, so we're all done, guys. We're done. I should make an island. I'm gonna make an island. Yes, that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. Guys, I'm gonna make an island, and I already thought of the perfect name for it. Birdtopia. I know it's not that original, but it has bird in the name, so unless Bird Isle. Yeah, we'll decide on the name later. I'll ask my friends about it. Maybe they can give me some advice. Okay. Another bird. I need more seeds. Must get more seeds. There's another bird, and I need it. Hello, bird. Hold on. Okay, I have two seeds. Please love me. Yes! Two birds. Okay. Names. Okay. Perfect name for this green one. This green one? Okay. This green one's name is Dream. Okay, actually, though, he kind of looks like Dream. Okay, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna call it Dream, though. Let's call him... Okay, so I couldn't come up with a name for this bird. And I took a long time pondering, but I couldn't do it. Another bird! Hello, bird. You must follow me. We are going to make Birdtopia. Yes, it will be a land for birds. And it will be awesome. Where are my birds? Oh, they're on my shoulder. I don't want you on my shoulder right now, guys. Get off. Come on, guys. Get off my shoulder. No. Get off my shoulder. Come here, birds. Come on. Here. Over. Please don't land on me. I just need you to land. Come on. Just land. Thank you. Birdtopia. I'm gonna call it Birdtopia. Well, be out there. But for now, welcome to Birdtopia. This is our current residence. It is complete with a crafting table. Yeah. Awesome. Let's go mining. Okay, wait, name for the bluebird. Blue. Boom. There we go. Perfect. That name's also not that original. Along with Dream. Dream is the most unoriginal name. I'm not saying because there's a famous YouTuber out there named Dream. I'm just saying because Dream's kind of a stupid name. But you know, he looks like Dream, so... Dream. Actually, no, I'm gonna change his name. What should I change his name to? I'll think about it while I'm mine. Okay. Birds. I'm coming back with some coal and some cobblestone. This is gonna be great, guys. Okay. I thought of a new name for you. Never mind, I haven't. Hold on. Boom. I got it. Leaf. There we go. Now you, the unnamed one. Gray. No, I'm not gonna say the call you that. Your name is Grain. Grain. Perfect. Yes. I am a genius. I am a genius. Yes, a sword. I unite thee. This is Leaf, Grain, and Blue. I will make it. I'll give you all official names one day by marking with a name tag. But for now, you stand without one. Why am I acting so like high enough? Yes. Pickaxe. Let's go. Be right back, guys. Okay. Oh shoot. And I don't even have a bed yet. Birds, we might die tonight unless I can find a sheep before sun sets fully. Another bird. Okay. I went looking for a sheep. Instead, I found a bird and a spider. This was a mistake. Okay. Boom. Birds, I have returned, and I did not find a sheep. But guess what? I brought us a new friend! Hey, buddy. Come on down. This is our new friend. I'm gonna call you Dragon. Anyways, I'm gonna make a protective layer around us. Actually, no, I'm not. We'll be fine. Well, we will be fine without one. Once we get out into the ocean, though. Once we get out there. This will be awesome. I'm gonna actually... I guess while it's night, I'll just start making it. Yes, okay. I will now start making Birdtopia. Here we go. Welcome to the Bridge of Bird. Bird Bridge is what I call it. I might make it look better in the future, but for now, there are a lot of spiders. No. Perfect. Where's the other one? I saw you. You can't hide from me. Dude, walking on sand sounds so much like creepers. This is terrifying. Don't worry, birds. They can't hide from me. I'll protect us. Not for that, though. That's a zombie. Help. That's a zombie villager. Oh, shoot. Okay. Well, we'll get back to you guys when it's daytime. Or if I die, which won't happen, don't worry. Okay. We killed that skeleton. Oh, that was a close one. The birds could have died. Get over here. Get over here, creeper. Oh. Aha! I am a god, and I killed that skeleton now, so I will wear its armor like a frickin' trophy. Okay, guys. as you can see, it is morning, and I've been doing some editing to Bird Bridge while you've all been asleep, because I know you were sleeping. I actually weren't sleeping, I don't know. I just ruined the joke by saying that. I'm an idiot. I will murder you. Okay, what is that, a fishing rod? They just switched from a trident to a fishing rod. I didn't know that was plausible. Anyways, I killed a lot of mobs, and I got an efficiency 2 shell out of it, which will come in a lot, which will become really handy to our cause. Anyways, a bird bridge has been officially upgraded. And just break this piece of dirt. I hate that it takes longer to mine. Stupid drowned! My gosh. I got copper out of it, that's nice. Okay, got rid of the piece of dirt. And now, they're gonna go mining again. Anyways, I wanted to talk to you guys about something funny that happened recently. It's not really that funny, but I'm gonna tell you anyways. Anyways, so in English class like a week ago, we had this prompt for bell work. I don't know if anybody at the other schools know what bell work is. Oh yeah, we have bell work, and we have this prompt, this journal prompt that we have to write down every day. That day's prompt specifically was, what do you think is the current problem with the world right now? A lot of people put like pollution and, you know, other stuff. But you wanna know what I put? I put the real problem to this world. Humanity. Everybody in that classroom now thinks I'm a serial killer who wants to shoot up the entire earth. Which is not true. In my example, in the journal that I put, I said that if I had a button that as soon as I press it, the entirety of humanity, including myself, would die, I would. Everybody, and that example sounded like a really good example to me, you know? Yeah. But everybody else read it as this kid wants to kill everybody. Except for the teacher. The teacher understood, but they didn't agree, but they understood. So I didn't get sent down to the counselor, thank goodness. So yeah, they all thought, hey, this kid wants to kill everybody. So now everybody's like, thinks I'm gonna be a serial killer. My friends actually, most of my friends say, well, not most of them, but some of them say that I have the personality of a serial killer. Which I'm actually glad to say that, because I look up to a lot of serial killers. Okay, I don't look up to them. But I'm just saying that they did some pretty cool things, you know, like how some of them have stayed a secret. Also, I did some research on the Zodiac Killer, which is something that I do quite often, actually, so believe it or not. And so, how many blocks did I place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, I saw who they were accusing, 9, 10, to be the Zodiac Killer. I forgot his name, but they were accusing him of being the Zodiac Killer. Like, oh. I don't remember who it is. This was people think he's the Zodiac Killer based off of the sketch that the witness sketch. You know what those things are? Yeah. Anyways, I took a look at both of the witness sketch and the person that they accused of being the Zodiac Killer, and there are no similarities besides the wrinkles on the forehead, which is not enough to go off of. And I know we found some weird stuff in his basement. But, like, come on. I have codes that serial killers have written before in my basement. Like, it's not that bad of a thing to do. You know, you're doing some research. You want to be the next great detective who just solved, like, a lifelong, you know, mystery. And instead, you get accused of being the thing you're trying to solve. Yeah. I don't agree with the theory of him being it. Okay, so Birdtopia looks really great right now. Okay. So, that's Birdtopia so far. The third bridge. And I'm actually really happy about this. We're gonna move you guys one at a time now. Not two at a time, I mean, not one at a time. I'm an idiot. Whoop. Did I get you off of me? Where's the other bird? Hey, come on down. Come on. Welcome to Birdtopia. You're gonna love it here, trust me. It's awesome. Hey, buddy. How you doing? Okay, have a nice day. Don't know who that guy is. I'm gonna call him some. Everybody is in Birdtopia now. And I gotta go kill a sheep for a bed. Found a sheep. 2 sheep. They were inside of each other. That sentence sounded bad. 4 wool. Nice. Bah. 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 Bah, 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 bah. Okay. So, Birdtopia. Not looking too bad. Right? So we're just gonna get a lot of cobblestone now. And, you know, build the walls. So my birds can stay safe. My Birdtopia will be a sanctuary for all birds. And I'll make like a tree forest area so the birds feel at home. And this will be the best bird sanctuary in the whole Minecraft universe. Okay, pickaxe broke. So, gotta make sure I make a pickaxe before I place all my cobblestone. This is great. Make 1 pickaxe, and then... Oh, I actually want to make, like, just a few of these so I can do this. Okay. Yeah, you see what I'm doing, guys? It's gonna look awesome. No. I hate mistakes, especially when I'm in water. My gosh, I can't get to the freaking thing. I want to stand on a block while I mine it so it's faster. Thank you. Mike, don't go down. Okay, so it seems I should break this piece off. Oh my gosh, here comes a trident boy. Trident boy. It's the man with the trident. How is Ariel? Whoa, it's turning night. Okay, well, see you guys in the morning. And it's morning. That was faster than I expected it to be. Okay, I placed that there. Now, I need the dirt. Are you still there? My gosh. If you could die... Oh! Trident, where'd it go? Ah! Where'd the trident go? It's right there. Ah! I got a trident. Yes! I feel amazing! Okay. What do we need to do? Oh yeah, we need to get that in there. Oh, I placed it in the wrong area. Hey buddy, you know, we don't have to do this, you know, because like, we would end up dying and that wouldn't be really... Yeah, you see, I know, right? I agree. You know, we don't have to fight. Yeah, oh, I'm sorry, buddy. You okay? You okay, buddy? Hey. I would fist bump you, but I'm afraid I might kill you. Yeah, don't worry. We'll be fine. Can I fix this? I don't want to hurt you. Please stop, okay? Dude, I know it's your like main duty to kill me. Like, can you just not? Maybe. Hey, Philip. Oh no, dude. Yeah, you go. I don't know what this is, but I want it. Yeah, buddy. I'm sorry, buddy. Okay, he's coming back to kill me. Yep, there he is. Hey, buddy, come on. You keep trying. Oh, you got a buddy now. Look at you guys dance. Yo, you guys are awesome. Look at them go. I don't want to hurt them, but I might have to if I want to save my skin. Ah, dudes, come on. Can't we just live in peace? I mean, we're gonna be neighbors now. Do we really have to, like, kill each other? I don't want to hurt you, and you probably do want to hurt me, but still. Like, come on, guys, peace. There should be peace between us. You know? Like, please. My gosh. I just need to place this one more piece of dirt. So, that would be highly appreciated if you didn't try to kill me. Thank you for not killing me, because you failed, because I'm too fast. But you guys, you know, you guys are chill. You guys are pretty chill. You know, even though you tried to kill me. Look at him go. My gosh. I love that. That will be all for today. This is Birdtopia so far. Say bye, birds. Okay, let's really see if I can remember their name. Leaf, Dragon, Grain, and Blue. I am awesome. Anyways, guys, that is all for the video today. Say bye, birds.
Hey guys, thanks for watching that video. I know it was kind of long, and for that, I'm sorry. But if you could, subscribe, please. I'm trying to reach 30 subscribers before the end of the month, and it would really be awesome. So if you could subscribe, please do. Bye.